Donald Trump is sweating tonight because Iran's shadow is all of a sudden appearing in America's own neighborhood. That's right. Hello and welcome to TimesXP. I'm Trithiyatri, and a new explosive report says that Venezuela, led by Nicolás Maduro, is trying to bring Iranian long-range drones right into the Caribbean. And you know what? If that happens, then the U.S. military bases around America's backyard sea, it can all of a sudden see a danger zone. Think about this for a moment. This is not Middle East, right? This is not Red Sea. This is not Syria. This is just a few hundred miles from Florida. And here is where the alarm bells, they are ringing in Washington. Puerto Rico has a major United States naval facility, St. Croix, that has been America's Coast Guard asset. Guantanamo Bay in Cuba has one of the most sensitive US bases on the planet. Now, if Venezuela gets drones that can fly 600 miles, 800 miles, or even 1,000 miles, now that one flight from Venezuela can reach all these bases without even needing refueling. That means that the US bases that were always safe from foreign strikes, they may no longer be safe. This is the core fear, by the way. Iran has already proved its drone technology in Ukraine, Syria, Iraq, and even the Gulf, and even inside Israel's airspace also. These drones are cheap, they are fast, and they are extremely hard to shoot down. And now Tehran could export that same technology to America's doorsteps. In the meantime, Washington is increasing its military buildup in the Caribbean. F-35 jets landed recently at Roosevelt Roads. American combat ships are doing constant patrols. Military planners are doing emergency simulations as well, because they know that if Venezuela gets Iranian drones, the entire balance of power in the Western Hemisphere changes overnight. Maduro sees this as insurance. Iran sees this as expansion. And Trump sees this as a nightmare situation because it makes him look really weak on national security. Well, this is not just about weapons anymore. This is about who controls the narrative of fear. Iran wants to show that America is not untouchable. Venezuela wants to prove that it cannot be bullied. And Trump wants to avoid any foreign crisis right now. So yes, Trump is sweating because this is the first time in decades that America feels threat, not from other side of the world, but from the other side of the Caribbean Sea. And the world is watching. Will the next war theater be right under American nose? Well, only time will tell.